Hey everyone, want to build a monster AM5 gaming PC for 2025? Check it out. Start with an AMD Ryzen 5 7600X3D. Its 6 cores and 3D V-cache potential allow for spectacular gaming at only $299. Then cool it down with a Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 SE ARGB cooler for $35. Get an Asus TUF Gaming B650E Wi-Fi motherboard for $185, providing Wi-Fi 6E and extended support. For RAM, 32 gigabytes of G-Skill Flare X5 DDR5 6000 is a steal for $83. RAM won't be used anyway, so buy it. For storage, get a 1TB Team Group MP44L NVMe SSD for only $69. The best GPU to get is the ASRock Challenger OC Radeon RX 9060 XT with 16 gigabytes VRAM at $349, allowing you to render any 1440p game without any issues. Finally, aesthetically, get the Vetru AL700 case for $79 with a Montex Century 2 850-watt PSU for $89. The grand total comes to about $1,196. This badass build allows you to play any AAA game without batting an eye and future-proofed due to the AM5 socket. Full build in the description, and like and subscribe for more.